Now that you know your purpose and started having big visions, imagine a powerful ship setting sail on a long voyage. The ship is sturdy, built to withstand the challenges of the open sea. It has a destination in mind, a far-off land full of promise and adventure. This ship represents your journey in life. Each wave it encounters is a challenge you face. Your big vision, your dreams, they are your destination. But it needs a guide. So, what guides this ship? What keeps it on course? It's the compass, representing your mindset. Your mindset is your internal compass. It keeps you focused and on track. When your mindset aligns with your vision, you find clarity and purpose. This alignment is crucial. It keeps you steady and focused. Without it, you might find yourself adrift, tossed about by doubts and uncertainties. But with a mindset aligned with your vision, you become an unstoppable force. This content is your guide to aligning your mindset with your big vision. It's about understanding the power of this alignment and taking practical steps to make it your reality. Get ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and unlock your full potential. The horizon is just the beginning. What inspires you? Is it nature, adventure, or knowledge? What future do you envision? One where you are fulfilled and happy. This is your guiding star, lighting your path in dark times. It's about living a life filled with purpose and meaning. Your vision is connected to your values, passions, and talents. It's the force that pushes you forward, even through obstacles. Think of it as your lighthouse, guiding you through uncertainty. Defining your vision is about finding clarity in the chaos. Every journey begins with a single step. And the first step towards aligning your mindset with your big vision is self-awareness. It's about understanding your current thoughts, beliefs, and habits. What are your strengths? What are your areas for growth? Think of it like this. You wouldn't embark on a road trip without first checking your map and knowing your starting point. Similarly, you need to understand your current mindset to navigate towards your desired destination. Take some time for introspection. Record yourself. Journal your thoughts, explore your beliefs, and identify any limiting patterns that might be holding you back. Remember, self-awareness is not about judgment. It's about understanding your starting point so you can chart a course towards growth and alignment. Your mindset is like a garden, a space that can either thrive or wither depending on how you care for it. If you nurture it with positive thoughts, beliefs, and affirmations, it will flourish, just like a well-tended garden. But if you let negativity and self-doubt take root, your growth will be stunted, much like a garden overrun with weeds. Cultivating a positive mindset is an ongoing practice, requiring consistent effort and attention. It's about choosing to focus on the good, even when faced with challenges and setbacks. It's about believing in your abilities and trusting in the journey, knowing that every step forward is progress. Start by becoming aware of your self-talk, the internal dialogue that shapes your reality. Are your thoughts mostly positive or negative? Reflect on this and make a conscious effort to shift your mindset. Challenge negative thoughts and replace them with empowering affirmations that uplift and motivate you. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether it's inspiring books, uplifting music, or supportive people who encourage your growth. Remember, your mindset is a powerful tool that can shape your reality. Use it to cultivate a garden of positivity and watch your dreams blossom into reality. Step 3. Setting clear goals. Mapping your journey. Now that you have a clear vision and a positive mindset, it's time to set clear goals. Think of your goals as milestones on your journey towards your big vision. They provide direction and motivation, keeping you focused and on track. When setting goals, be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Break down your big vision into smaller, more manageable steps. This will make your journey less daunting and more achievable. Remember, setting goals is not about limiting yourself. It's about creating a roadmap for success. Step 4. Embracing challenges as opportunities. Stepping stones, not stumbling blocks. Challenges are an inevitable part of any journey, but it's how you perceive and approach these challenges that makes all the difference. Instead of viewing them as setbacks, see them as opportunities for growth and learning. When faced with a challenge, ask yourself, what can I learn from this situation? How can I use this experience to grow and become stronger? Embrace challenges as stepping stones on your path to success. Each obstacle you overcome brings you one step closer to your big vision. Step 5. The power of persistence. Never giving up on your dreams. The journey towards your big vision won't always be easy. There will be times when you face setbacks, experience doubts, and feel like giving up. This is where persistence becomes paramount. Persistence is the unwavering belief in your dreams, even when faced with adversity. It's about getting up every time you fall, learning from your mistakes, and continuing to move forward. Remember, success is not a straight line. It's a journey filled with twists, turns, and unexpected detours. Disruption always follows intentions. Plan in advance for unforeseen obstacles. But with persistence, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve your goals. Step 6. Celebrating milestones. Recognizing your progress. As you progress on your journey, it's important to celebrate your milestones, no matter how small they may seem. Recognizing your achievements, both big and small, reinforces your positive mindset and fuels your motivation. Take the time to acknowledge your accomplishments. Reflect on how far you've come and how much you've grown. Share your successes with others and allow yourself to feel proud of your progress. Celebrating milestones is not about being arrogant. It's about acknowledging your hard work and fueling your passion to keep moving forward. Section 9. Conclusion. Your vision awaits. Take the first step. Aligning your mindset with your big vision is a transformative journey. It's about understanding your inner compass, setting clear goals, embracing challenges, and persisting through adversity. It's about believing in yourself and your dreams, even when the path ahead seems uncertain. The journey starts with a single step. Take that step today. Embrace the power of your mindset and start aligning it with your big vision. Your dreams are waiting to be realized. This is a production of Kingdom Self Business. Please subscribe, like, and share your comments below to serve you better.